So by using Kimi, what you can do is you can easily create HTML pages as well. So for that, I can simply type in this prompt. I'm going to say create a HTML page regarding regarding benefits of online education right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then send this. And then what happens is that it says I can provide you with the HTML code for the web page. It says this and starts writing the HTML code directly, as you can see right here, just like this. So it has the body, and then now it is adding in the information right here, the HTML code for this particular prompt that I made. And then you can copy out this code and run in an HTML editor, or you can preview it, and over here on the side you will be able to see how the HTML actually looks as well. And this is how you can go ahead and create out HTML pages as necessary inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.